For those who don't know, my dad's actually a preacher, and he retired a few years ago, but the city that we're in is the first place where he got appointed to preach. So we're all getting ready because he's actually preaching for the last time in the first city that he started. So it's kind of coming full circle, so which is kind of cool. So we're gonna go see my dad preach. We're gonna go visit my sister's birthplace, and then we're gonna go to the market. So let's have some fun today. So we finally arrived at my dad's first church that he preached at. I think it used to be a lot smaller because this place is huge. My God.
The house is not there anymore.
Oh.
This is the side.
So
It wasn't big, small. But when you go into the room, you have the vent and the vent from the kitchen. Only 2 months.
하나님의 사랑의 그 열정을 여러분들이 느껴야 돼요.
sorry I didn't really have an introduction earlier this morning, and I know we're already at our next location, but you know, we had some things that we had to take care of. We're actually at our next location. We're in Haeundae, where it's world renowned for its beach, as well as some other places like some traditional temples and other kinds of monuments. So we're here checking it out.
I haven't even tasted it yet, but it looks good.
We've been here almost 10 days now. We saw this amazing restaurant we just gotta check out because this is the first time we've seen it this whole trip, right guys?
Yep.
So we just had to take a little trip away from the beach to check out the McDonald's.
Yeah.
Where are we?
We're in Jeju.
Awesome.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Help.
We're stuck.
No, don't say that.
Don't
Don't want to get stuck here.
Najee running?
Oh, it's going down. It's going down. Oh, I'm recording.
Oh.
Oh, there's a
It's so hot here.
Go.
Go.
Okay. Get up. Get up, get up.
Go. Oh man. That was only 30 seconds. We got to the airport and we were trying to find some food to eat, but because it's so late, all the food places were closed. They closed right at 9, and we got done talking to the person at the car rental booth after we found out we couldn't rent a car. They're trying to figure out a solution. That took about 30 minutes. So because of that, we missed our chance to be able to eat at the restaurants, but that's okay because we're basically buying out the whole GS25.
Hey guys, and we are officially at our last Airbnb, and it is absolutely, positively pretty.
Yeah,
But even though we have to sleep on the floor and there's not enough bedrooms, it's nice. Thoughts?
No.
Hopefully, Jacob will show you a tour soon.
We made it to Jeju Island. Man, this Airbnb that we're staying at is incredible. I know it's a little dark and there's some light behind me. It might help, but probably not really. But let me go over the lights. So we got here. This is our Airbnb, right? Looks like a hotel. This is one massive house. Let me back up so you guys can take a full picture. to the right on those stairs over there, it's to the terrace. The terrace is huge and it is beautiful. It's currently a little chilly and I love it because I love cold air. I love the cool breeze. I just love anything cold. It's a little dark. We'll actually go up there tomorrow because it's a little dark. So let's go inside. So in the front of the house, you gotta walk a little bit. Go to the sliding doors. Open it up.
Computer is there. We'll rather lock it. Okay.
Okay. And this is the entrance way of this house. You have to come through and oh man. Oh. Sorry, plants. You gotta go there. There's 2 doors. One side of the house is the kitchen, bedrooms. One on the other side is the living room and the bedroom. Now the code to this house, I can't tell you because it's a code. So let's go inside. You got 2 bedrooms or bathrooms. One's a toilet and a shower. Another one's a toilet and a shower. Then you got the master bedroom. Really cute. I think it's pretty cute. Then we got the living room, the piece de resistance that I will be staying in. I'll show you guys here in a second. Let me turn on the light. This is crazy. This house is insane how huge it is, how beautiful it is. It's very modern. Ooh, let me turn the light off and go in the next room. Very modern, very Art Deco. The reason why I say those words specifically is because there are pillows out here that say that exact words in one of the bedrooms. Now we got this section of the house. And there's Art Deco. Man, that's a nice room. Then we got the second bedroom in here, but I'm not gonna show that because somebody's in there right now. And then you guys have the kitchen where we're all eating dinner because we haven't had dinner yet. But yeah, this place is absolutely gorgeous. Do you guys like it so far?
Yeah, by the way, we put a small video in there.
I put a small video without me.
It's a surprise video.
Oh, I'm gonna poke you guys. But that's okay. You know, it's the Sophia takeover moment, so that's the purpose of it, right? Well, guys, we're gonna eat dinner and probably pass out, so we'll see you guys later. Say bye, everybody. Okay, since no one's gonna say bye, I'll say bye. See you guys later.